knowledge. Today I am here to talk about a disorder which is a Mendelian disorder known as color blindness or color vision. When we use the term color blindness or color vision, generally we are talking about red and green color blindness, which is also known as daltonism. When we have to refer to complete or total blindness, then the term which is used as total color blindness. Okay, total color blindness. This disease was reported by Professor Horner in 1876, and he stated that color blindness is also a disorder. Red-green color blindness is much more common, and blue color blindness is much more rare. Color blindness is X-linked, that is, it is a sex-linked recessive disorder. Whenever it is X-linked or sex-linked, the gene is located on X chromosome. मतलब कलर ब्लाइंडनेस जिस जीन डिफेक्ट की वजह से होता है वो X क्रोमोसोम पे लोकेटेड होता है. And sex-linked means it is related to sex chromosomes XX and XY. They are called sex chromosomes, XX for female and XY for male. Red-green color blindness is due to defect of either red or green cone of the eye. Then what is cone of the eye? In the retina of eye, we have cells called cones, and there are 3 different types of cells depending on whether they respond to red, green and blue light. Frequency of this disease to occur in males is about 8%, which is quite high, and the frequency of this disease to occur in females is about 0.4%, which is pretty well lower. Now, what's the reason behind that frequency in male is high as compared to female? As I have already said that जिस जीन डिफेक्ट की वजह से कलर ब्लाइंडनेस होता है वो जीन X क्रोमोसोम पे लोकेटेड है, XX and XY. They are called sex chromosomes, and in male there is only a single X chromosome. And if that X chromosome is mutated, male will show color blindness. While in the case of female, there are 2 X chromosomes, and when both X chromosomes are mutated, then at that time the woman will show color blindness. That's why the frequency in male is high, because male has only single X chromosome. Now we will discuss the major types of color blindness. There are 3 types of color blindness: deuteranopia, protanopia and tritanopia. Deuteranopia is a color blindness of green color. Protanopia, which is a color blindness of red color, and tritanopia, which is a color blindness of blue color. I will show you some examples where you can see the clear difference between both views. This is an example of deuteranopia where you can see the clear difference between both views. This is an example of protanopia. And this is an example of tritanopia. Now we will take a brief overview of genetics of color blindness. In first case, the female is carrier, C for carrier, and carrier mean कि वो खुद तो फंक्शन नॉर्मली करेगी लेकिन अपने चाइल्ड में डिफेक्टेड जीन को ट्रांसफर कर सकती है. And in this case the male is normal X and Y. Gametes. These are the gametes of female. Female gametes are called ova, X normal and XC carrier. And these are the gametes of male, which are called sperms, X and Y normal. Then what's the probability of offspring? There are 4 probabilities. In first case, when X normal X and X will meet, एक probability है कि ये normal girl को birth देंगे, क्योंकि both the X chromosomes are normal. Second probability ये है कि वो एक normal son को birth देंगे, क्योंकि both the X and Y are normal. Third probability is कि हमारे पास जो woman है वो carrier होगी. Again C for carrier and means कि वो खुद तो function normally करेगी लेकिन अपने child में defected gene को transfer कर सकती है. And the last and final probability is कि वो एक डिफेक्टेड एक कलर ब्लाइंड सन को बर्थ देंगे, क्योंकि मेल के केस में कैरियर वाला कोई सीन नहीं होता, या तो वो डिफेक्टेड होगा या नहीं होगा, एंड इन दिस केस द मेल विल बी कलर ब्लाइंड. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द सिम्टम्स ऑफ कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. The symptoms of color blindness vary from person to person but may include trouble seeing colors and the brightness of the colors in the usual day. Means to say दिन में जो bright colors हैं उनको देखने में एक color blind को problem होती है. And second, inability to tell the difference between shades of same or similar colors. मतलब वो कलर्स जिनके शेड या जो कलर्स हैं वो आपस में मिलते जुलते हैं उनमें डिफरेंशिएट करने की एबिलिटी एक कलर ब्लाइंड या कलर विजन डेफिशिएंट पेशेंट में नहीं होती, बिकॉज इन कलर ब्लाइंडनेस द आई फेल्स टू डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन टू पर्टिकुलर कलर्स. If you have red and green color blindness, it doesn't mean कि आप red and green color को necessarily देख नहीं सकते. It only means that your ability to see it is lessened, and you might see a red color as being washed up red or pink, and you might see a green color as being not really green that the normal person would see. Now let's move on to the last part of our topic, which are treatments. There is not really any treatment for color vision deficiency right now. Means to say, we don't have any appropriate means of treating it. It's because you are missing something that's not there, and in order to replace it, you have to do it on a very cellular level. If you don't have the pigments and the neuroreceptor, and you don't have the cones that correspond with the color, there's no way right now of changing that situation. If you feel कि आपके child को problem है with color vision, take them to your optometrist. Then optometrist will carry out a test, probably called Ishihara test. Okay, Ishihara test, where your child will have to identify colored numbers against the colored background. If your child has color vision deficiency, they will explain this to you. Most color vision deficient patients have very few problems with their day-to-day life. It really becomes more consequential day by day. Whenever they are going for certain careers like armed forces, policeman, and electrician, they face some problems. I hope you understood my topic well enough. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.